Hi everyone. I make this audio recording to share my experience of getting a PCC for my wife and myself. Um, I was applying from the state of Punjab, and it was a roller coaster ride for me to get the PCC done for my Canadian Express entry application, specifically because it was after marriage, but our passports were before marriage, and we didn't get our spouse name updated in our passports, and we didn't have a marriage certificate ready. So I had to go through a couple of appointments before finally getting my PCC, and there were so many agents and consultants guiding me, all in different voices. So finally, I wanted to share my experience of getting my PCC in case it can be of any use to anyone. Firstly, I think when you go on the Passport Seva Kendra website and you apply for your PCC, so there while entering your particular, you have to enter your current status as married, and then they ask for your current address. And in that, there were many videos on YouTube, and many agents and many folks, they kept guiding me that you need to get your passports updated with the spouse name, only then you will get a PCC. And other because in that case, I was not sure what will happen if I get my passport updated, but my IELTS scorecard had our earlier passport numbers for both for my wife and myself, and would that be a conflict in our express entry application, and would that be acceptable or not? But finally, what I decided to apply for our with our existing passport with our existing passports, which were issued before marriage. And I will share my experience of getting the approval, getting the PCC done based on our passports, which were pre-marriage passports. So we applied, and we applied. Both of us made different applications. We applied with our passports pre-marriage, and we had to get a marriage certificate, which in itself is a big cumbersome process. And I will share a video separately of how do we get marriage certificate if our marriage is more than 3 years old in the state of Punjab. But for the scope of this video, let's say if you have a marriage certificate, you can apply with your pre-marriage passports without your name of spouses updated in your passport, and you will get a PCC based on those passports. You just need a current address proof, which can be in the form of Aadhaar card, or it can be in the form of a new bank account passbook that has been issued for your spouse for her current address. Or it can be any different case for you, but you just need a current address proof for um, um, your application. In my case, the PSK officer, they specifically asked for our existing passport. They asked for our current address, which in my case was Aadhaar card, and even for my wife's case was Aadhaar card. But we took our supplementary address proofs as well, which was her current account passbook and my current account passbook, and both of us had our marriage certificates. And these were the only three things that were required by the PSK officer for my wife's PCC and for our PCC, for my PCC. There was no need for our passports to be updated, and many agents guided me incorrectly, because no one was sure of what was gonna be the exact process. I got my PCC within 5 days. There were no questions asked, and everything was a very smooth process. So for all the married couples who are applying for their Indian PCC, be it in any corner of the country, I would urge you to apply based on your previous passports, pre-marriage passports, but you have your marriage certificate ready and your current address proof ready, which is Aadhaar card or your bank account passbooks. Or there is a list of 18 acceptable address proofs on the list of Passport Seva Kendra, and I think you should be good to go. You don't need to get to that whole process of getting your passports reissued, and because then you will have to provide supplementary letter of explanation that why did your passport get updated, and then and there will be different passport on your IELTS scorecard, or maybe there is a different passport on your medicals. So I think you should definitely try this out if you are trying to get your passports, PCC for your pre-marriage passports. And I wish you all a very good luck. Canadian Express entry is taking too much of time in the current scenario, but I hope all of you land in Canada with your express entry approvals very soon. Firstly, congratulations for getting an express entry ITA, and good luck for the road ahead.